Alright everyone, today we're going to try to start the Mustang, and I'm just going to check a couple things, make sure it's okay. Let's check the distributor. I'm just going to pop it open and see if everything's corroded or not, and that looks okay. That looks okay. This has the points. The points look okay. Let me get a light on it, but they look fine. Yeah, they're a little warm, but they're not too bad. Okay, so the points look okay. So let's put that back on. Okay. And then we'll do some checks on it, preliminary checks on it, to make sure we're okay, and then we should be good. There we go. There we go. Okay, there's oil in here. Never want to run it without oil. The coolant is empty, so I'm gonna add some water to it, and then probably later on drain it and fill it with something else. But then we're gonna do some voltage checks first. All right, I'm gonna hook up the negative cable to it and tighten it up, and then what we're going to do is we want to make sure that that is actually going to do okay with grounding out through the lower clip that I did. So let's get this tight, because there's nothing worse than a loose strap, so we'll get it tight for right now. That's good. I'm going to put this on the positive terminal. And then we got the test light right here, so we know it's bright. So I'm going to go to the engine block. See, that's all right. That's not a good. That's good. So that ground is good over there. All right. So I know that the ground to the block is actually good, and it's nice and bright. So I think we're good there. Okay, so it's grounded to the car too. Okay, so that's good. So now what I'm going to do is we're going to take off that air cleaner over there and squirt a little fuel in there and see what we do. All right, I took the air cleaner off. I filled it with some water. Looked like there might have been a leak, but what I'm going to do is I'm just going to prime it a little bit. Put a little bit of fuel in here, because it's probably bone dry. It's been, like I said, it's been a while. And we're going to give it see what happens. See if it cranks over at all, even. Let's see. Okay. Alright, sounds like it's gonna run. I don't have any fuel in the fuel tank, so I'll have to, put some fuel in there, but I think once it's primed, I think it's gonna run. Give it a little bit more fuel here there. Okay. And see. One more time. Alright, so I think it's going to run. Like I said, that's just a preliminary. I'm going to get some fuel in there, and then we'll have to do a full service on it. But hey, she said it was sitting for 10 years, and it seems like it wants to run. So hey, that's good. And of course, this is after we did all the batteries, so we're going to clean it up some more. We'll have to do full service on it, and then whatever else they may want done before we ship it on down the road, and hopefully they can enjoy it again. So again, thanks for watching this short video, and it works. Take care now.